This device uses a 3-phase 5-wire power supply. The power cable is directly connected to the air leakage protector. First, loosen the screws at the connection point. Note: be sure to turn off the circuit breaker when connecting the power line. Distinguish the live wire, neutral wire, and ground wire by color. The blue power cable is the neutral wire. The position of the neutral wire is at the far right interface. Lock the interface of the power cord onto the loose bolt. Then tighten the screws again. The gray, black, and pink ones are the live wires. The 3 interfaces on the left are the positions of the live wires. There are no fixed requirements for the position of the fire line. The installation steps are the same as those for the neutral wire. The yellow-green one is the ground wire. The ground wire interface is on the side. The installation steps are the same as above. After connecting all the power cables, push up the circuit breaker. Determine whether the power supply is successful. Look at the relay indicator light on the side of the device. The indicator light is green, indicating that the power is successfully connected. If the indicator light is red, at this time, any 2 live wires can be swapped. Keep switching until the indicator light turns green. Connect the inlet to a distilled water or pure water source. First, unscrew the nut. Then thread the nut onto the hose. The hose is connected to the pipe. Finally, tighten the nut. The pipe connection to the tap water source. The installation steps are the same as above. Is the drain outlet of the steam generator. When the equipment is not in use for a long time, the residual water in the steam generator should be drained. The installation steps are the same as above. Is the drainage outlet of the vacuum pump. It is best to use high-temperature resistant materials for this pipe opening. The clamp is threaded onto the pipe. Then the pipe is clamped at the pipe opening. Finally, use the tool to secure the clamp. All pipe fittings have been installed. Rotate the door handle on the device into place. The 4 door handles operate in the same way. Switch button. Control the power on and off of the equipment. Emergency stop button. When encountering an emergency situation, pressing the emergency stop button can cut off the power. Turning the emergency stop button to the right can restore power. Printer. Print the running data after the execution is complete. Pressure, vacuum gauge. Real-time pressure of the monitoring inner tank. Touch screen. Safety valve. Calibrate at least once a year. Click the switch button. The display lights up. Wait for the pressure to equalize. Enter the interface. Click to enter the system. Enter the main interface. Rotate counterclockwise to open the device door. Hearing a sound of dang. Open the device door. Put in the items that need to be sterilized. The packed items should be loaded no more than 80% of the load rack volume. Rotate clockwise to close the device door. Click Operation Mode. Click Sterilization Mode. Select the appropriate sterilization mode according to the type of item to be placed. Click Start. Wait for sterilization to complete. A prompt box will pop up after the sterilization is complete. Rotate counterclockwise to open the device door. At this time, the temperature of the sterilized item is high. Wear protective gloves to remove sterilized items.